How to install Jukebox for Geometry Dash in 2026. First of all, what you need to do is go over to your Google Chrome and then search for Geode Geometry Dash. Open this first link and then click on download, then click on download for Windows. Here open the installer and then click on OK, click on next, click on agree and just install it. After installing, open Geometry Dash, click on this button and then click on download and search for Jukebox, click on get, click on install and then click on restart now. Once it restarts, Jukebox will be finally installed, and yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.